Now I am telling you about saphenous opening. ठीक है, what is saphenous opening? Its name indicates that it should be some opening. ठीक है, so saphenous opening is a gap, hiatus or an opening that is present in the fascia lata or that is present in the deep fascia. ठीक है, this is saphenous opening. It basically lies inferior and medial to the inguinal ligament. This is inguinal ligament. ठीक है, just medial and inferior to inguinal ligament is the saphenous opening. This saphenous opening is present approximately 4 cm infralateral to pubic tubercle. ठीक है, ये pubic tubercle है, just 4 cm infralateral to pubic tubercle is the saphenous opening. Now the saphenous opening has some margins or some extension. ठीक है, it extend 4 cm in length and its breadth is 2.5 centimeter. It extends 4 centimeter in length and in 2.5 centimeter in breadth. ठीक है, it has some margins. The medial margin is smooth and this is the lateral, superior, inferior. They combine together to form a crescent-like edge, and this crescent-like edge is called as falciform margin. So lateral, superior and inferior margin is called as falciform margin and medial margin is simply the smooth. Now this saphenous opening is basically the opening in the deep fascia, and just below this deep fascia is the membranous layer of सुपरफिशियल फेशिया. मैंने आपको पहले बताया था कि जो मेम्ब्रेनस लेयर ऑफ सुपरफिशियल फेशिया होती है वो इनग्वाइनल लिगामेंट के नीचे तक जाती है. ठीक है, तो ये यहाँ पर इसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ saphenous ओपनिंग को उसी मेम्ब्रेनस लेयर ने कवर किया हुआ है. ठीक है, विच इज़ टर्म्ड एज हेयर एज क्रिब्रीफॉर्म फेशिया. ठीक है, द क्रिब्रीफॉर्म फेशिया इज बेसिकली फाइब्रोफैटी टिश्यू and it's a sieve-like fascia that is part of membranous layer of subcutaneous tissue and it's spread over the saphenous opening. ठीक है, and then closing it. Sorry. As its name indicates that this is an opening, so this opening is present in the fascia lata and the connective tissue that is covering it is termed as cribriform fascia. ठीक है, this cribriform fascia is pierced by the great saphenous vein. This is great saphenous vein and its tributaries. ठीक है, ये mainly इसको pierce करती हैं और फिर enter होके femoral vein में enter हो जाती है. This main artery vein is the femoral vein. So we can say कि इसके content में क्या चीज़ आ जाती है? Great saphenous vein and its tributaries. It gives passage to efferent lymphatic vessels and there are some superficial inguinal lymph nodes that are also present in this saphenous opening. Okay, now we came to know that what things we have to cover in saphenous opening. We have to define it firstly. So saphenous opening is an opening that is present in the fascia lata. It is located inferior and medial to inguinal ligament or infralateral to pubic tubercle. It extend on lengthwise it is 4 centimeter and in breadth it is 2.5 centimeter. Its medial margin is smooth and lateral, superior, inferior margins combine together to form falciform margin. It is covered by cribriform fascia which is a part of membranous layer of subcutaneous tissue. And contents में इसके हमारे पास आ जाता है कि the great saphenous vein and its tributaries are piercing the saphenous opening and enters into this is the great saphenous vein and its tributaries that enter piercing the cribriform fascia and enters into the femoral vein. Along with that there are efferent lymphatics, inguinal lymph nodes and some of the vessels. That's simply the saphenous opening.